What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Josh and we back at it again on the Kicks and Brish channel. So I just finished doing the review for the reimagined Air Jordan 1 Royal Blues, and again y'all, much like this review that we're gonna do today, it is another pair that's just sitting. Everybody's talking about them sitting. They sell them below retail on some sites. There's sales on them left and right. Hey, you know what? Better for y'all to cop. It's a Sneakerheads market right now. Sneakerheads market out there for all kicks that have been releasing. You know, they're all sitting. They're sitting on Nike, sitting on Foot Locker, sitting in Champs, sitting in, Finish Line. They sitting. So there's no excuse for you not to cop. If you can't do it because of your financial situation or whatever have you, hey, I think they'll be out there for a while. So especially this pair that I'm going to review, and it's actually kind of a disrespect on this pair because it's been a long time since we seen this pair of retros that we're about to review. And also, I think anything for the next year, at least until All-Star Weekend in February, all these sneakers are going to be sit. And I will predict that some of the sneakers during All-Star that get released will definitely sit. Not the reimagined 4s that are rumored to release around that time, and not the All-Star Galaxy Foamposites that are going to release. Nah, those are going to go bye-bye. But enough of those. We ain't here to talk about those right now. We'll talk about them when they come. So I'm going to sit here and review this review this sneaker that just released. And like I said, it's almost like a plain disrespect. So, all right. Sneaker that I'm talking about is in these box right here. Boom. And other than the color of the box, we know what silhouette normally releases in this type of packaging and box. So let me just read it to y'all. It is the Air Jordan 13 Retro. It is white and wheat, and it's a size 9.5. So in the box, we got the Air Jordan 13 Wheats, and can't believe these are sitting. So, all right, take a look. All right, y'all. So, first look at the sneaker. Of course, you guys know, if you've been watching the channel long enough, you guys know that I love 13s. They're my favorite silhouette. They, Flint 13s over my Grails. Got those, and I got all the recent releases on those too. And this right here is a previously only released once. This sneaker was only released once, so this is the first actual retro of this colorway. And you guys are sleeping on these. They're sitting. Nobody cares about these. I find that to be a blatant disrespect because this is a dope colorway. And it's the first time we see them since back in the early 2000s. I want to say 2009? 2009 or earlier is when these released. And they're still sitting on all sites. And now, I will say one thing. I never owned the OGs, but my cousin has them. And I've seen pics of the OGs. I think I would rather have the lighter wheat color that the OGs had. And there's actually other wheat sneakers that have a better wheat colorway. And actually, I'm gonna pop one out right now. Boom. This is the Air Jordan 13 wheat. And as you can tell, the wheat on these are definitely a different color. And I prefer, and of course, I prefer the new buckwheat that's on here, because this wheat color on here on the side, which is kind of like a hard material, no. I'm gonna put these out in the front, the camera, so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But look, the wheat color on these is definitely a lot better than the wheat color on this. So, and I believe the OG had more of this color on it than this right here. So, but again, I can't believe that y'all letting these sit on all channels, on all channels, letting them sit on all sites, because Definitely within price range. You don't have to pay crazy, over retail, whatnot. And again, if y'all wait about another month or so, you should probably hit some sales. So, Nike's not gonna wait for too long to, to keep on to these. They're gonna start dropping the price on them. So, and so are all the other websites. But anyway, let's get the sneaker in front of the camera so you guys can get the up close. It's already been released. Many of y'all have probably already seen it, but again, it's my view, my opinion on it. And on top of that, there's still some of y'all out there that probably haven't seen them, or maybe I just agree with what I'm saying about the sneaker. So let's cut the slack out of this chat and let's get this in front of the camera. Let's get it. All right, y'all, in front of us we got the Air Jordan 13 Retro Wheats, and man, I love this pair. Dope pair. But first, let's take a quick look at the box. It is your normal 13 box. It's got that, circle dimple in the middle with the Jumpman on it, but except that it's a white box. Normally it's a silver chrome looking box, but I don't know why they changed up the box color. But anyway, let's get to the sneaker itself. Here they are, boom. And like I said, dope quality on the sneaker all throughout, as y'all can see. So sorry for the blurring in the focus in and out, but as y'all can see, the colorway, the tumble leather on the uppers, beautiful on the toe box, beautiful as always on all retro 13s. You got that wheat color on the midsoles and throughout the outside and inside of the sneaker, excuse me. And again, I'm gonna show you out here in a second what my little bit of a complaint or recommendation for Jordan Brand is on these the next time they try to release them. But overall, everything is good looking, quality on the prime and the leather is all good, and all the colors and all that. But here's my complaint. All right, so I'm gonna sit here and take this one out, and I'm gonna bring in this one. So same size sneaker. This was considered was a suede release. I forget what year this was this release, so I'm gonna have to go back and look, but I know that it was definitely I want to say 2015 to 2017 that they released this pair. Now this suede and wheat look on these, on the upper and on the toe box, is what I think should have been on these, because the OGs on these, that wheat was lighter for sure. I don't know what happened with the color match on those, but definitely should be like this wheat. Also, just to give you another colorway, another wheat color, is this one. Now this one looks, it's about the same, but it does have a better, I don't know, just look at it, y'all. I think it should have either been this dark or as light as the 13. That right there on this one, to me, it makes it look like too orange. It doesn't look wheat at all. So if you're gonna go, don't go in the mix. Don't go, either go dark all the way to make it look like this wheat 6 that came out, or make it look like this wheat 13, the uppers and the toe box. But all right, you guys let me know in the comment section what y'all, what's your opinion on it. Should have been this or should have been this? Let me know. I think my favorite would have been this kind of wheat right here. But I also agree that it could have gone this way. But it's sitting in between right now. Let me put y'all right here. Put it like that. You know what? Wait, let me set this like this. Put it like that. What do y'all think? Either go all the way light like this pair, or go all the way dark like this pair. So let me know what y'all think in the comment section about this. This whole wheat situation here. All right, y'all. So, but anyway, let's get back in front of this camera so we can finish our thoughts and comments on this whole little situation here with the wheat, and we'll take it from there, y'all. All right, let's get it. All right, y'all, that was the review for the Air Jordan 13 Retro Wheats. And again, y'all saw it up close. Dope quality, Only, you know, smidge of a issue is that it is a darker wheat, and of course we compared them to the Jordan 13 wheats. No, excuse me, not the wheats, but whatever colorway that was. Of course, it's all wheat, and then we compared them with the Air Jordan 6 wheats that I have also. So definitely would have preferred the color on those other two sneakers than this darker wheat that they have on this one. But overall, still a dope sneaker, still one of my, you know, favorite silhouettes, and you can't go wrong with having these in your collection. So make sure y'all go out there and cop them when they either drop on a sale, or if you got a little extra cash laying around, just go ahead and snag a pair. So all right, well, thanks for sticking through to the video, thanks for sticking through the whole review. Make sure y'all hit that like button, make sure y'all hit the subscribe button, make sure you hit the notification bell so that as I keep pumping these out, you guys get notified as soon as they're uploaded and released. So I got some more sneakers to review, got some more Lego sets time lapse, and they're gonna come soon, y'all. So just hold on, bear with me. We got about another, I wanna say 2.5 weeks before I have to hit the road again for work. Knock on wood, if I don't get deployed or sent out somewhere. You know, right now I'm on call pretty much, so let's see how many of these videos I can pump out while I'm here home and I'm able to. So, all right, y'all. Well, there's nothing else left to say other than, as always, it's your boy Josh. We got the Air Jordan 13 wheat here. We on the Kicks and Bricks channel. Keep it locked in, and until next time, holla at your boy.